Opportunity to purchase at a price below recent comps. Don't waste money on rent, invest your money in this low-maintenance patio home with 2-bedroom, 2-bath 2-car garage in immediate possession. Split bedroom floor plan, open and spacious living space with cathedral ceiling and gas fireplace. Separate dining area plus bar and kitchen for casual eating or extra cooking space. All appliances plus washer/dryer included as is. Lennox furnace, AC and water heater new in 2020. Water softener is rented. Corner lot and rear open patio. Located on east end of Avon with all the conveniences of shopping, restaurants, churches. Quick and easy access to Ronald Reagan Parkway, I-465 and Indy Airport.